टुरिस्ट हुन्न शिलङबाट आएको टुरिस्टहरु त्यो सब बन्द गराइरहेछ मतलब मेघालयको गाडी हेरे त आसाममा जान दिएछैन के
All ML vehicles are forced to return. It is completely non-violent, but ML vehicles are not allowed to enter Guwahati city. Every minute thousands of people are entering, and there are different protest zones. This is right below the Jorabat flyover, and as you can see, ML vehicles are being diverted back to Meghalaya. They are not allowed to enter the city. So the drivers are checking if the private vehicles are carrying tourists. If yes, then they are diverting. For ambulance and other emergency health services, there is no stoppage. So this is Scorpio. So they are diverting it back to. He is carrying tourists. The private vehicle is running on rental, so the drivers are inquiring and he is sending back.
Boleh tu.